Under time value, you will get like future value, present value, compounded interest column and your 12% row, then you will get 3.106. Or else, present value multiplied with 1 plus r to the power of. Because of changes in economy or inflation, the value of money declines. Now, what is discounting or present value? Discounting, you know that reducing, like hello everyone, this is your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidyashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So, we are in the session 2 of your topic called Time Value of Money. Now, this is your second chapter of your subject Financial Management. Now, you know that what is time value of money. In the first session, we already learned what is TVM or time value of money. The today's value for money will change for tomorrow. The today's 1000 rupees will be lesser or will be higher in the future. Now, we will understand what is time value of money and the few problems are example problems on time value of money. The agenda is very simple. We will understand the concept as well as we will do 1 or 2 problems on time value of money. First one, why does the value of money declines? Now, in the previous session already you have learned what is time value of money. Under time value, you will get like future value, present value, compounded interest. So those things we have completed in the previous session. The reason for time value of money, sometimes the value will be high, sometimes the value will be lesser. Now, in the previous session also we have discussed with an example, like we gave an example of like the fuel prices. The 100 rupees worth fuel was more compared to today. So these are the reasons for your time value of money. Now, why does the value of money decline? Decline means what? Decreases. 90% the value always what? Decreases. Why? The reasons are what? Now, the first reason, the value of money declines due to the combined impact of the following. Now, if it is a 5-mark question, if they ask you why does the value of money decline, you are supposed to answer these 4 points. Now, what is the first one? Like inflation in the economy. You know that what is inflation. In Kannada, if you call inflation, hana dubbara. Now, inflation means what? Changes in economy. Now, because of changes in economy or inflation, the value of money declines. Now, the 2000 worth value, now it may come to around 1500. Almost there is a changes of 500 rupees. That is the first reason. The second one, risk involved in delayed receipt of cash or financial transaction. It is a simple to understand. Why? Because like, so you are supposed to collect 10,000 from one of your friend. We don't call it as a friend, some XYZ. We are supposed to collect 10,000 from Mr. XYZ. So you thought that today you are busy, will collect tomorrow. Again, I'll repeat. You are supposed to collect 10,000 from your XYZ. His name is XYZ. Today you are little busy. You thought that next week will collect that particular amount. Now, so in this what happens? Risk involved. Now, today that person XYZ is ready to pay the 10,000. Now, just assume that the amount is 10,000. Now, you made that a plan that next week I'll collect that 10,000. What happens? In 1 week, that person XYZ, something happened to that person. If that XYZ dies, then what happens? Your 10,000 gone. Similarly, the XYZ having money now, maybe the chances are there next week he will be out of money. He won't be having money. That is a risk number 2. And the third risk. Today he is having money. He was kept in his home or a locker. Somebody theft. Then what happens? Your 10,000 rupees gone. Or else your 10,000 will be paid later. Again, he will take time to pay the 10,000. So these are the risks involved if you delay your receipt. That's why this is also one of the main reason for decline in the value of the money. Now, third one. Opportunity cost of capital delay. What is the opportunity cost? I'll tell you. Like you have 10,000 with you, or else your friend promised that I'll give you 10,000 just as a token of appreciation or prize, or from your institution or where you're working. From that, as a token of appreciation, they have promised that I'll give you 10,000 for your service. Now, what did you tell? It's okay, sir, I'll collect next month. Then what happens? That 1 month, if you are collected today itself, the 10,000 you can deposit into bank. If you are deposited into the bank for 1 month, you would have taken 2% interest. It will be around 200. For 10,000, example I have given, 2% means almost you have taken how much? It is 200. Now, so you agreed that you will collect next month, means it is nothing but you lost this 200. This 200 we call it as opportunity cost. Hope you understood. What is opportunity cost? The money you lost, the money you left, the money you forgot by not collecting money today. You promise that I'll collect next month. That 1 month you lost that 1 month interest. That is called opportunity cost or capital delay. The expected income you have not collected is called as opportunity cost. Now, the last one, consumption. So sometimes what happens? The consumption of your money also will lead to decline in the time value of money. These are the reasons comes under decline in the value of the money. These are the major thing for your examination. 5-mark question you can expect. The next part will be now future value and present value, like compounding, future value, discounting, present value. What is a future value? What is a present value? I'll give you simple example for future as well as present value. Now, so compounding or future value. What is a future value? Like, so somebody has promised that I'll give you 10,000 today. Now, so you're also ready to collect 10,000. Later, he called you and said, now I cannot give you 10,000. I'll give you after 2 years. What happens? There was agreement between you and your friend. He agreed to give 10,000 as a gift or something like as appreciation. Now, so after all agreement and all, later he called you and told, I cannot give you today. I'll give you the 10,000 after 2 years. Then what happens? You will not agree for 10,000. So if you come for compounding or future value, you will think that if you give me after 2 years, I'm okay for that. Give me after 2 years, but don't give me 10,000. Give me 10,000 plus 2. You are supposed to give me 12,000. This is called as future value. Hope you understood that 10,000 worth value after 2 years. For the same 10,000 you will not get that particular thing. Like for 10,000 you wanted to purchase gold. For example, if 5,000 rupees per gram, right now you will get 2 grams gold for 10,000. Now after 2 years, if you give 5,000, 1 gram gold you will not get. So that time the per gram gold is 6,000. So then that's why what you have said, you give me after 2 years, but you have to give me 12,000, not 10,000. If you agree for 12,000, then I will also agree. I'll wait till 2 years. This is called your future value. So it is just as assumption that in future you will get more than what you're supposed to get today. Hope you understood. This is called your future value. Now, the second one will be discounting our present value. What is discounting our present value? Discounting, you know that reducing. Like, I can go for the example of check. I can go for the example of check. Like, in this, what happened? Your check, maybe 10,000 worth rupees check. 10,000 worth rupees check. In this, what happened? Now, you have 10,000 rupees check, but what is the date mentioned? In this, the date mentioned almost 3 months later. Now we are in the month of January, February, means it will be given when? In the month of April or June. 3 months later. Now, you cannot wait till April, till May. Then what happens? You have to go to some bank. You have to request them. See, I have collected a check from my friend, but he promised that the check will clear after 3 months. I cannot wait till 3 months because I have emergency. Again, I'll repeat. You have collected check from your friend, but what happens? The check can be presented to bank after 3 months because the date they have given after 3 months. But you cannot wait up to 3 months. Why? Because you are in emergency. Then what happens? You will go to bank and request them, I have emergency, I want money. Then what happens? Bank will agree, yes, I'll give you money, but I cannot give you 10,000. I'll give you 9,500. How much bank is ready to give? 9,500. So you must be happy for 9,500. Instead of waiting for 3 months, you can collect 9,500. After 3 months, the bank will go to your friend and collect 10,000. For bank, there is a profit of 500. But bank is taking risk for 3 months. So this is the reason we call it as your discounting, or we can call it as present value. Always in discounting, whatever you are expected after 3 months, like 10,000, today if you want means you will get always lesser value. Like the same thing, if you are waiting for 2 years, you will get 12,000. If you want now itself, you will get 10,000. This is called, this 12,000 is future value. This 10,000 is present value. Any doubt? Hopefully, no doubt. This is all about your future value as well as present. Present value, always we call it as your discounted value. Your future value, always we call it as your compounded value or compounding value. So hope you understood what are the reasons for decline in time value of money. Along with that, we also understood what is future value and what is present value. Now we will understand few words or few letters. These things comes under every problem. See, like what is R? What is P? So this must be small p. What is PV? What is FV? All these things we will understand now. Before we start our problem, we should understand what is present value, what is future value. So you already understood what is present value and what is future value. But before that, there are certain logic or certain points are there. Normally in the formulas we use these letters like, so FV stands for future value, PV stands for present value, T stands for time, R stands for rate of interest. Now, the first one, PV, stands for the value of the money in the today's term. Today means what? Present values term. FV stands for the amount of cash received in the future value. Then future value t. T stands for what? Time. So this is a formula for future value. Remember how to calculate future value? Your present value multiplied with 1 plus r to the power of t. T stands for time. Remember, future value and present value, we have same formula. Future and present value, we have same formula. Instead of present value, we write future value. Instead of future value, we will write present value. If you want present value, you have to divide. If you want future value, you are supposed to multiply. Again, I'll repeat. If you want present value, you have to divide. If you want future value, you have to multiply. To find out future value, you should have present value. To find out present value, you must have future value. This is a concept you are supposed to remember. Hope you understood. Now, R is the discounted rate or the speed at which the decline in value of the happening. R means it is a rate of interest like 10%, 5%. The interest portion we call it as R. Remember, R means rate. Now the last one T. Remember, T always should be in the small letter. T is the time period in which the future value of cash is received. Time period means, like as I told you in the previous example, 10,000 you are supposed to give me today. If you give me after 2 years, how much you are supposed to give? 12,000. Means how many years? 2 years. The 2 years we call it as time. Hope you understood. Now, hope you understood what is time value, what is present, future, what T stands for, what R stands for. Everything we understood. What is next? Next, we will work out 2 problems. These are the basic problem. Don't expect the same kind of problems you will get in your examination. But whatever the formula, whatever the fundas I have taken, that will be helpful for your examination. And whatever the 2 example problems we are going to do now, similar type of problem you can expect, but small adjustments will be added. Example number 1. Now, what is the example? If you deposit rupees 55,650 in a bank which is paying 12% interest on 10 years time deposit, how much would the deposit grow at the end? At the end means you are finding out what? Future value. Remember, they have given present value. Your present value is 55,650. What will be your future? What will be your future value? We are supposed to find out. So easy. What is the formula? Future value T, present value multiplied with 1 plus R to the power of T. Now, very simple. Before we start our problem, remember, we have to write what is present value. Present value as per this question, 55,650. Now, what is T? T stands for time. So, this problem for how many years? This is for 10 years. So, we are supposed to write 10 years. Now, how much would the deposit grow at the end of 10 years? What is the percentage given? In this problem, the percentage is 12%. Now, R is equal to 12%. Remember, while calculating, we will not consider percentage. We call it as 0.12. So, remember 0.12. How come you got 0.12 means? In your calculator, percentage means what? 100. In this, 12 divided by 100, you will get 0.12. If it is 8%, it will be 0.08. Now, remember, for calculation, this makes us simple. So, if you make it in this format, calculation, it will be easy. Now, so we got what is PV, we got what is T, we got what is R. Now, how to calculate in this? Simple. Now, your present value. What is your present value? Your present value 55,650. Whatever formula we have, we are simplifying. Then multiplied with, in the bracket, 1 plus, what is R? R stands for, what is your R? R is 12%. Can we write it as 0.12? Yes, 0.12. Close the bracket. Time how many years? 10 years. So they have given time 10 years. Now this will be 10. Any doubt up to this? No doubt. Now again, this will remain as it is. This will remain as it is, multiplied with 1 plus 0.12. How much it is? 1.12 to the power of 10. Any doubt? Just we added. Later we will find out the power of. We will multiply. Up to this, hopefully, no doubt. Now, third step. 55,650 will remain as it is. How to find out 1.12 into 10? Say 1.12 multiplied with 1.12. How much you got? 1.25. Again, you have to 2 times you multiplied up to 10 times. 3 into 1.12. 3 times over. Into 1.12, 4 times over, into 1.12, 5 times over, into 1.12, 6 times, into 1.12, 7, 1.12, 8, into 1.12, 9, into 1.12, 10. So how many times you calculated? Up to 10 times you calculated. How much you will get? You will get around 3.106. 3.106. See, you may feel that, sir, we are supposed to calculate 10 times. No. Go to log table, go to 10 years, column and your 12% row, then you will get 3.106. Or else, if you don't want to use your log table in your calculator, we have shortcut. What is that shortcut? I'll tell you. Your 1.12 multiplied with 1.12. How many times over? 2 times. How to find out third time? You have equal symbol. Third time 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Over. How much you got? 3.106. Only once you have to multiply. Later, just if you press equals, you will get your answer. Now, in this you got 3.106. What is the final answer now? Multiply these two. Like 3.106 multiplied with 55,650. How much it is? 1,72,849. 1,72,849. This is your answer. So what we calculated? We calculated your future value. How do we calculate it? See, 55,650 if you deposit today, after 10 years, the same amount will become 1,72,849. Hope you understood. This is all about your future value. Hope you understood. Now, future value we have completed. Then we go for example problem of present value. In this, Mr. B has been given an opportunity to receive rupees 2000 6 years from now. See, after 6 years, how much he is collecting? 20,000. If he can earn 10% on his investment since 6 years, the most he should pay for the opportunity. So we have to find out what? Present value. Future value already given. We are supposed to find out the present value. Now, how to find out the present value? Now, it is easy to calculate present value. Before that, what we should do? So, we have future value in the answer. We have R in the answer. We have T in the answer. Now, so we are supposed to find out present value. Now, what is your future value? It is 20,000. What is your rate? It is 10%. What is the time given? It is 6 years. So these are the information already we have. Now, we'll simplify this. PV, present value. PV to the power of T is equal to, what is the future value? 20,000 divided by, now 1 plus R. 1 plus, what is the R here? R means it is 10%. What do we call it as 10%? 0.10. Now, this we can call it as 0.10 to the power of what? 6 years. We can call it as 6. Up to this, any doubt? No doubt. Now, what is the next procedure? PVT. Now, present value. 20,000 will remain as it is. This we can call it as 1.10 to the power of 6 years. Now, again, if we simplify, I'll write it here. PV. Now, 20,000 divided by 1.106 times. How much you will get? 1.10 multiplied with 1.10 2 times into 1.103 into 1.104 into 1.105 into 1.106. So we got around 1.771561. Any three numbers you can take, no issue. Now, as I told you how to calculate shortcut, like 1.10 multiplied with 1.10, it is 2 times. How to find out third time? So, third time, fourth time, 5, 6. So, we got 1.771561. Any doubt? No. Now, if you simplify this, how much you will get? 20,000 divided by 1.771561. What is your answer? 11,289. Your answer is 11,289. This is your present value. So, after 6 years, you are receiving 20,000, but now the price is how much? 11,289. This is all about your present value. Hope you understood. So it is the easiest one, but you have to be good in your calculator. Now, I'll go back to all these slides so that you can take screenshot. So these are the reasons for decline in time value of money. So these are the techniques of time value. These are the few points before we go to problem we should remember. Example for your future value. Example for your present value. So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood what is present as well as future value. In the next session, we'll go with all your question paper problem so that it is almost similar to this, but few more adjustments will be added. Thank you.